Hello, Business English language learners. Once again, it's me, your host, Alvin Bersamin. And I wish to welcome you to our Synonym Showdown English Quiz with yours truly, Ajarn Alvin. And we are now on our 20th episode of this exciting and engaging English quiz. Before we proceed our quiz, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all of our students as well as our university staff who completed this B2B English communication course. You know, guys, you were all amazing people. And I have seen all of your, efforts to attend our weekly lessons. Despite of your hectic schedules, you were still present and attentive the whole time. I hope you've learned a lot from our topics and discussions. We completed our B2B English communication course last Wednesday. Thus, in today's episode, let's wrap up some of those B2B topics we discussed. So, class, are you ready to put your business vocabulary skills to the test? Without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. What is a synonym for the word negotiations? Letter A, dispute. Letter B, discussions. And letter C, orders. Class, I will give you 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. All right. Class, negotiations refers to discussion aimed at reaching an agreement between two or more parties that usually involve give and take. A close synonym is discussion, which suggests sharing ideas to reach a common understanding. So the correct answer is letter B, discussion. All right, moving on. Question number 2. What is a synonym for the word contract? Letter A, document. Letter B, proposal. And letter C, agreement. 10 seconds, class, starts now. All right, class, a contract is a legally binding document that explores the terms of an agreement between two or more parties. A synonym for contract is agreement, as both terms are used to formalize understandings between parties. The correct answer for this question number 2 is the letter C, agreement. Okay, question number 3. What is a synonym for the word agreement? Letter A, understanding. Letter B, conflict. And letter C, transaction. Class, your 10 seconds will start now. All right, class, an agreement is a mutual understanding between parties regarding specific terms. So, the synonym of understanding conveys the same idea where both parties on the same page about what's expected. So, the correct answer is letter A, understanding. All right, moving on to question number 4. Are you ready, class? Let's go. What is a synonym for the word demand? Letter A, request. Letter B, supply. And letter C, question. Class, your 10 seconds will start now. All right. Demand refers to a firm request or need for a product, service, or action. A synonym for demand is request, which also indicates asking for something, although with less urgency than demand. Therefore, the correct answer for this question number 4 is letter A, request. Moving on to question number 5, final question. What is a synonym for the word discount? Letter A, promotion. Letter B, deduction. And letter C, increase. I will give you this final 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. All right. Class, a discount refers to a reduction in price. So, a close synonym is deduction, which also refers to lowering the amount of money to be paid. And the correct answer here is letter B, deduction. So, class, that's the end of our quiz for this week, particularly discussing the previous topics of our last unit discussions from our B2B English Communication course. And for the next episode, we'll be back on our, usual discussions about everyday conversations and English vocabulary. Thank you so much for being here. Just remember that getting a good understanding of business vocabulary takes some practice and quizzes like this. So the more you practice, the more confident you will get with business English. So see you next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy learning.